Hi, welcome to the Virtual Electrician, TVE, your one-stop shop for do-it-yourself electrical help. Now that we have done a video about installing just about every type of breaker, the last one on the list is a GFCI breaker. For some outlets and circuits, it's code to have GFCI protection. You can either do this by installing GFCIs or a GFCI breaker. GFCI stands for Ground Fault Circuit Interrupter. This will protect you from getting shocked. These breakers measure current. The amount of current that is passing through the hot wire needs to be the same amount of current going through to the neutral wire. If it's not, then that means the current is going somewhere else. That could be the ground wire, or worse, a person. At the slightest variance, that breaker will trip. A ground fault breaker gets installed the same way an arc fault breaker does. You hook up the neutral pigtail to the neutral bar. Then the neutral from the circuit goes on the breaker with the hot wire. The breaker will have a white mark on it to let you know which screw to put the neutral wire under. Like usual, you'll want to hook up the ground wire to the ground bar first. After you got everything else tightened down, you just snap it in. Go to thevirtualelectrician.com and schedule a virtual electrician to walk you through it.